One of the great things about being involved with OEM is the products we make help the wheels of the world go round. We help cool the motors that drive those wheels. We help transfer the power that drives those wheels. We're part of how the world operates. So OEM manufactures two main areas of equipment. Firstly, the industrial heating cooling market. So we cool hydraulic oil, lube oil, any oils that are used with industry, we cool them. And we also manufacture and engineer mechanical power transmissions, so gearboxes, shafts, couplings. The industries we service across Australia and the world, based around mining and mining support services, but also heavy industry, anything that has rotating parts. We service a lot of equipment on the ports, so anything that has a conveyor belt. We do work with small mobile equipment, so concrete trucks, agricultural harvesting equipment. So a lot of our products are niche products, built specifically for customer application.
Partnering with OEM is a very intentional decision. Everything with nuts and bolts fails at some stage, so reliability is key. It's what our customers come to us looking for, and it's what we have to deliver. We've been working with OEM for over 20 years now. It's a long relationship that we're very proud of. We've always been able to fit OEM's various products to our equipment with a high degree of confidence. I would say we can fit it and forget. We know we're fitting the best quality cooling and coupling parts to our equipment, and our customer service is best in class. We're so pleased with the response that we get out of OEM Dynamics. I think that's part of the way that we can step forward with confidence in fitting those parts, knowing that the backup support is always there.
We've been working with OEM probably the best part of 15 or so years. The quality of the OEM product is very high. The finish and the workmanship that's obviously gone into them is second to none really. Failures are something that don't occur very much at all. I can't think of any failures we've really had with any of that equipment.
If you want to test a machine on its durability and quality, you put it into a coal mine, because that's where things will get wrecked. With these parts that OEM is supplying as well, they're not failing. And working with OEM is just the help, and the contacts that we have there is a good relationship, so we can throw ideas back and forward and they're always coming to the party to help us, figure out a problem.
The fact that they can tailor something to suit our needs. We can buy something that's not readily available off the shelf, but they'll customise it. OEM have always managed to provide us with what we need when we need it, and I have no doubt that it doesn't matter who they're dealing with, they have that same basic principle.
We've approximately worked with OEM for the last 30 years. OEM's tail shaft adapter that we use, the way it couples to our spline drive, is superior to any other brand on the market. And due to the fact that it doesn't fail, has made us a major player in the field. The quality of the product is exceptional. There's no issues at all. If installed correctly, it's a lifelong proposition. Reliable parts is the most important part of any manufacturing, because it's your namesake. If your reliability is not there, your name is not there.
Heaps of people don't know about OEM or the things that we make around here. It's just pretty awesome that it's in Ballina, where we live.
It's a great team, and it's a high quality production line, quality of tools. We don't miss things here, we don't skip corners here.
What we do here is actually very specific, so not many other people do what we do. We're always looking to improve products, improve our ways of doing everything.
I do like my job. I've been here for 25 plus years, probably worked in half a dozen different engineering shops. This would be the best. Australian manufacturing is undervalued. There's a lot of good manufacturing, a lot of good and innovative product produced in this country.
I take a massive amount of pride that we're manufacturing here in Australia, and it doesn't happen very often that you have raw material coming in and product coming out.